placed in like a rocket, so it should just fly up. What if it tips over and goes?
I know.
That's what I'm worried about, because it's on the slope this way.
Doing it.
You can see this one. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in.
Tip. I was looking.
Oh.
This is where we need guys. Just doing it.
Oh my god.
It must be getting so hot. We don't touch it.
No.
Shut on.
Fuck that.
Think we'll go up or what?
Oh. Oh. He's bubbling.
Is it?
He's gonna go. That is gonna go.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! That was perfect.
Shit! We stepped higher to do it. Yeah, perfect landed bind us. A perfect landed bind.
Really? Shine your light on it. Shine your light on it. Shine your light on that.
Put it on the flash.
No, I can't. I'm recording. Right, this is quite far away from the actual.
It's not even hot.
Shine it inside, Ben. You can see inside. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye.